to be prolific and mass production on my level, it requires a hell of a lot of energy. So I have to find ways to conserve, I have to find ways to reserve, and I have to find ways to have energy, to create energy, to produce energy, to keep going.
Tell me about, because you talk about energy, that makes me think of everlasting life, and it makes me think of because they say you can't stop energy. You can't. Is that right? You can't neutralize energy. Energy just changes forms.
Yeah, it can't be created or destroyed. It can only be transformed. You know, in alchemy they call it the transmutation from one form to another. So you might you might have a breakup, or you might fall in love with a girl or a crush, and she might reject you. So you could take that rejection, you could take that pain, and in alchemy they call it the transmutation. You know, back in the primordial era, medieval times, alchemy was written within the context of chemistry.
Presupposition and supposition is not the same. Presupposition is to state or assume beforehand. And then you have proposition now as a noun, is a statement or an assertion that expresses a judgment or opinion. Proposition as a verb is a proposition. Proposition is probably we hear